Hi guys, today I will show you how to remove watermark from video in CapCut PC. Okay, the first step is to take the video to the timeline. Now we stop the video in the part that has the watermark. Click here and click on Export Still Frames. Export. Now we will go to our favorite browser and we will look for Photopea. We will take the image here. Okay, now right-click on the image and make sure to rasterize. Click on this tool, Lasso Select, and hold down the click to select the watermark. Once this is done, click on Edit, Fill, Content Aware. OK. Now we will export the image. Once that is done, we take the image from Photopea to the timeline. We place it up here. Now we will go to Mask, and we will select the shape that best fits us. We will go testing, and we will see which one looks better. And that's it. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and a subscription. Thanks for watching.